G'day and welcome to the show. Well, this week I'm in New Zealand fishing in the Century Batteries Beach and Boat Competition. As you can see behind us, all the boaties are getting ready, all excited about a big weekend, hopefully catching a monster snapper. There's incredible prizes, a couple of boats and a car up for grabs. Should be loads of action. Let's check it out. It's Kiwi versus Aussie on the Century team boat.
I think we're going to be in trouble. I think it's a good fish.
With snapper coming up in pairs. And we get some nice trevally too.
Woohoo! Look at that! Cracker.
Plus Aussie beach action. And top tuna fun.
Woohoo! Good work. Quick water.
We're on the dramatically beautiful east coast of New Zealand's North Island, where it's hardly surprising that the nearby Marsden Cove Marina at Ruakaka is always busy with boats. Located on the broad expanse of Whangarei Harbour, 130 kilometres north of Auckland, this area is a natural attraction for yachties and fishers. And this morning, Marsden Cove is busier than usual. All kinds of Kiwi anglers in all kinds of boats are flocking here for more than 400,000 worth of prizes in the Century Batteries Beach and Boat Competition. The prize pool includes 2 complete boats and even a ute. This is one comp where the ocean kayak is just a minor prize. So there's no surprise at the number of boats out on the fishing grounds early on the first day of competition, and I'm about to join them aboard the spacious Sandspit Charters boat playing hooky. I'm part of a fishing crew of Century Battery executives from both sides of the Tasman. And even before skipper Nick Dobbins has got us out on the harbour, we've slid along national lines in our own light-hearted on-board competition.
Australian versus Kiwi sort of battle here. You Kiwis better catch some fish and show us what to do.
No, we wouldn't do that. Just trying to work things out in Australia.
We've got a few Aussies on board.
Yeah.
So it's Aussie Centurions Mark and Peter teaming up with me
Yeah, well, the captain's a Kiwi.
against Kiwis Matt, Bruce and Peter.
He's got control of the helm. Tell you one thing I do like is the wind's blowing at over 20 knots, I reckon, out the front there, and we're in this beautiful protected harbour.
We take our place in the line of boats heading out on the quest for prize fish. Once out there, all the other anglers are going for chunky fish baits. But I choose to stick with my favourite soft plastics. And again, there's no surprise that the locals get first points on the board.
Oh, he's away.
Dangle.
Give him a kiss.
Look at that.
All right. What do you count that? Is that a -1?
It's called a gut.
-1 for the Kiwis.
No, just testing. Also the first one back. Right, that's going back.
One's up.
No, -1. It's undersized. Yeah, good. Doesn't feel monstrous, but it's a fish. On the softie. Oh, a little bit bigger. Hey? That's a little bit bigger.
Scores are even there.
Oh, very good. Righto, bud. Away you go. Oh, okay. I reckon it's -10 wearing that life jacket. Oh, very good. I don't want to catch him. There we go. Oh, hang on a minute. It could be a 1. Hey, on the board, big fella. Here's 5. All right. On the board for the Aussies. Oh. Was he born in Australia? Or?
No, he's born here.
Born here?
Yeah, we got here.
Very good. How's you looking, Bruce? You're the judge?
The Kiwi weather is keeping us inside the shelter of the headlands. No fishing outside for us today.
Pretty well for quite a while, but
You wanted him to get eaten and go bigger.
here we go, guys.
All right, keeper.
Peter, you're looking good, son. You're keeping the team up.
Well done.
I'll have to get the Australian rule there.
One for the future generation.
That's good. Good to see. Lines up. We're going to go and look for some anchovy schools which are a little bit further in. We've got lots of birds working in there, so they're a pretty good signal. Anchors coming up and away we go. I'll keep my line down a little bit longer. You get a bite?
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty hungry.
Well, that's a big one for you, Brucey.
Come on.
Take your biggest. Aussies on again. Yeah. Right. Two. Alright. On the board.
Finally, I get something big enough to make my Shimano sing.
Thanks for the line. Well, chop that line, eh? That line there.
Nah, looks like a snapper to me. Yeah, he's down deep. It's dump, isn't it? Going round in circles. Yellow patina.
Rally.
Well done. Yeah, well done. I gripped it. Well, there you go, another beautiful fish. Beautiful trevally.
Aussie.
Yeah, the Aussies aren't going too bad at the moment. I think this one snuck us in front. What do you reckon, Bruce?
They seem to be getting a lot of fish. I'm just wondering if there's a bit of bribing going on here.
Something going on here.
Something underhanded, a little bit of back payment or something.
It's called skill.
But there's nothing that isn't fair dinkum about this catch.
Get everything you like about this show, plus much more, whenever you like at escapewithet.com. The online store has a fantastic range of fishing apparel, Mako sunglasses and adventure DVDs. The online magazine is packed with stories and photos, plus videos to view anytime. And you could even be on screen yourself as a winner of our Catch of the Week online competition. It's all free to members and membership is free at escapewithet.com.
On New Zealand's Whangarei Harbour, the boats are out in force in the Century Batteries fishing competition. And the Kiwi Aussie mini comp is in full swing among my crew.
Well, I didn't like the way that soft bait was coated with some special scent there, and
all legal.
being an Aussie, that imported scent may have to be classed as illegal.
It's lip gloss, mate.
I think so.
So with that, I'm going to have to give you the
Yeah, and that's a red card.
and it's a red card.
Red card, oh.
Stand
It's a
there.
Kiwi red card. I'll accept that. No, it's legal stuff. Legal stuff.
Just like an underarm bolt.
Had to bring it up.
Had to, eh?
Paternoster rig, you got a beautiful little charter special Shimano reel.
I can't give too much away, ET.
Yeah. Mono all the way through.
Yeah, I guess.
I guess. You're going to talk slowly to the Kiwis, do we? That was cool. Better than the underarm. It's alright though. Well done.
weather's improving, and with it the catch rate.
Yep, sorry. Oh, yeah. Not bad.
Oh, it's the Aussies.
What do you got on, Bruce? What do you reckon? What are you tipping?
This could be Kawa, Stingray.
A stingray. Oh. Wobbie gong. We could be in trouble. The Aussies could be.
It could be in big trouble.
I think we're going to be in trouble. I think it's a good fish. Which Aussies have got the scissors?
Here they are, here, mate.
Need some Aussies.
Oh no, I'll take them on to centre.
It's almost got that Trevally knot again.
Yeah?
I see a bit of colour, Bruce. Bring it up.
Oh, it's a good fish. Woohoo! Look at that. Trevor.
Good fish.
Woo! That's a thumper. Well done, eh?
Fantastic.
That's a cracker.
Now, is it as big as ET's?
Well, I think it's
That's the
surpassed,
question.
unfortunately. Lucky there's no prize for the biggest fish.
Another tread? Looks like it. Oh, Kawa. Oh, Kawa.
Oh, very good. I might get a shot of him.
I'm glad young Toby's on the Aussie team.
Yep, Gunner. Good stuff, Toad. Oh, yes. On fire. On the circle hook. That a Gamakatsu, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
Yeah, no, they're good, eh?
Getting bigger.
Last prize of the trip to Australia.
That's a better one for the Aussies. Oh, gosh. Does that put us in the lead?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Back in the lead.
It's only a Trevally. Dive in, eh?
On fire, the boy.
Leave it two in front.
Yeah, easy. Oh, 3.
All three Aussies are hooked up, are we? Oh,
Oh, they're all tangled. Get the knife out, Nick.
the Aussies are on fire. Look out.
He's alright.
Oh, that one's good, baby.
He's a beauty.
A real Aussie bloody tin, isn't it? Snake nice.
That's underarm.
Not a bad one either. Well done. One back for the Kiwis
Probably the biggest snapper.
Thank you.
of the tournament.
Keep talking. This is the winning fish out of the NZ Aussie fishing. Don't listen to any of the laughter out there.
They're only 5 behind, and actually Toby's on over there, so we're back to 6 in front.
That's big as Bruce's, I think.
That would be Aussies 7 in front. 7 in front.
Not a bad one.
Man, on your feet. Yeah, he's better. That's a nice one.
That's cool, mate.
Yeah, I might get a photo with him. Oh, it could be the biggest of the day. Not bad, hey? Bad for the Aussies. All right, hey?
Nice snapper. I think we've got enough, eh?
Oh, he's over. He's gone. Well done. Well done. Here we are for the future. Fishing for the
We
future.
can, well, we've got it on camera so we can compare sizes if it gets too messy later.
Very good.
Oh, mate.
Well done, boys.
Well done.
Awesome. We'll have a look at this for a catch. Absolutely awesome. All the boys have had a pretty successful day out there. Some nice trevally, some beautiful snapper. No absolute monsters, but I think the Aussies pulled off a victory, which was pretty good. Hey! We had a good little Australian-New Zealand battle today, and it was very close right down to the wire. and I think we might have just snuck
End up
home.
with
But
a
well
draw.
done. Well done. It was close to a draw.
And now it's time to join all the other teams of fishers humping their day's catch up to the chaos of the weigh-in. And with over $4,000 worth of prizes up for grabs, wouldn't you be keen to get your catch tagged and weighed?